onion right here.
Okay. Grab an onion.
Onion this. And then, after we do that, we need 2 bowls. 2 bowls. 1, 2. 2 bowls.
Okay.
And after we have the 2 bowls, one's for water, because the cheese rangoons need water. We need water on them for the sides so they stick together. So the sides stick.
Oh, when you pinch it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So-
so stick together.
So I gotta chop up some onion.
That's your job. And then put it in here. Okay. High, low. High.
So 2 big scoops of cream cheese.
No! I never do 2.
Then what is that? You doing 3?
Yes. I think that's half. Is that a little more than half? That's half.
I think you did about right. That looks like half of what was already taken out for half.
Just a little bit of garlic.
Okay.
This is the same type of garlic I used last time.
Not the powdered garlic. You use the chunky garlic.
Yes, I use this. There. Now that's done, we're gonna need the onion.
Seem to be getting a lot of it on your hand though.
Well, these are called wontons. Now, and after I do that, I'm gonna start wetting the sides. And after I wet the sides, I'm gonna grab some of the sauce I made, and I'm gonna grab my knife so it can get off. Let's see. There. You can do them in just a triangle, like this. Well, that's one way to make it, but here's the other way. Again, I'm gonna get this wet on the sides. It does start hurting your hands if you do a lot. And after, which last time when we did lots of rangoons, it made my fingers hurt a lot because I made too many.
So how many is too many?
15,000.
Okay, so we're not gonna make that many.
Yes, that's how many I think I did last time. Or at least something in the thousands. And we put them in the air fryer for 350 degrees, and we put them in for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna put it in here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna push it in, turn it on. Now it's already at 350. So we're gonna press this 2 times. And now we're gonna do it for 5 minutes. 4, there. And now we're gonna start it. The timer went off, so we're gonna see how they look. These look really good. Well, we're gonna let them cool down now, and soon
We'll
No,
taste the
no.
deliciousness. Don't touch it, it's hot.
yes, they are hot.
That was the first outtake.
Now these are done, so we're gonna try them now. These are really good.
Creamy?
Creamy and cheesy, and it's really, really oniony.
Too much oniony?
Nope.
Just enough.
Mm-hmm.
High five. Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.